Good morning, class 11th. I hope all of you guys are doing well. And today we'll be looking at the same topic. I'm in the same chapter, that is chapter 14. But we'll be looking at a new topic. We have already discussed about this topic in the previous classes, but we'll be also doing about what is median in this class as well. So this is exercise 14.2, and we'll be studying median in this class. I hope all of you guys are ready to study this. It's going to be really simple as it was in class 10th, especially mean, median, and mode. The first three exercises is going to be simple, and the fourth exercise is also simple because it's not much complicated. They are exercises that can easily go in your head, and easily you can also explain it to anyone very easily. So we'll start today's lesson. So we'll start with the definition today. The definition of median is the median of a set of data is the value of the observation which lies exactly halfway along the set. So जब हम शब्द पढ़ते हैं मीडियन ही हमें पता लग जाता है इफ आई जस्ट फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ मीडियन फ्रॉम डिक्शनरी और यू माइट ऑलरेडी नो द मीनिंग ऑफ मीडियन इट जस्ट ट्राइंग टू से द मिडल पार्ट. So it says there will be data given, okay, or the observation will be given, and median is whatever is in the middle. For example, let's say I have been given data like 35, 40, 21, 83, 102, 125, 120, and then 74, and then 36. So this is the data given. So what I'll do, I won't just find the middle part 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 का middle part कितना होता है, and that is going to be my answer. No. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to first organize this in ascending order. Okay, so 21, 35, 36, and then 40, and then 74, and then 83, and then 102, and then 120, and then 125. So I have how many terms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 terms. So whenever there are odd number of terms, how to find median? Median you have to find n plus 1 upon 2 observation. So if I see the n is what? The number of observation. 9 plus 1 upon 2, that is going to be 9 plus 1 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So fifth observation is going to be my answer, but if I have only arranged them in ascending order, so 1 2 3 4 5, so this is my median. My median is fifth observation, so I'll write median equals to 74. Okay, so you guys already know median because the word itself tells the definition and the meaning median. But let's have a look. But if there are, for example, 10 observation, so what is the formula you'll use? So for the formula for that you're going to use is n upon 2 observation plus n plus 1 upon 2 observation total upon 2. So what do you see over here is there are two formulas, and the very first formula is this one, and this formula stands only when there are odd numbers, odd number of observation, and when there are even number of observation, this is the formula you'll use. For example, let's say I'll add one more number to this, that is 130. Okay, so how many observations are here? 10. 10 is an even number, so whenever 10 number of observation are there, so what are you going to do? 10 upon 2 observation plus n plus 1, that is how much is it going to be? 11. So this 10 over 2 +1, ये पूरा नहीं होता है, +1 अलग से होता है, ठीक है, ऑब्जर्वेशन upon 2. So what I'll do over here, if you guys see the formula, I'll just make sure I do over here. So this is going to be the 5th observation प्लस इसका एलसीएम निकालूंगा इंटू 2 12 हो जाएगा, तो हो जाएगा 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन. तो इन दोनों को प्लस करके मैं डिवाइड कर दूंगा 2 से. सो आई विल सी विच वन इज द 5th एंड द 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो दिस इज द 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन, दिस इज द 6th ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो इफ आई हैव टू फाइंड द मीडियन, सो आई विल डू 74 प्लस 83 over 2. That is going to give me 7 plus 8, that is 15 upon 2. And then I'll get my answer as 2 7s are 14, 1 is left, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. So 78.5 is my median. So there are two formulas that you have to keep in mind. One is median का ये वाला formula n upon 2 observation जब even number है. But write down this formula in your notebook before you start doing anything, or even as I am telling you guys this, you guys can write it down in your notebooks as well. Okay, now the question arises, how to find median for group data. There will be a group data. This was not a group data that was given to you, this was simple data, but now the group data will be given to you. I'll write the group data right now in front of you as one of the example that is also given in your books, and then we'll also do some questions on them. But right now I'll just explain you the concept behind it. So I'm giving you group data. This is group data. Okay, so this is xi, this is frequency. Maybe you can take this as number of salesmen and number of sales. Okay, so 0 15 1 24 2 18 3 12 4 8 5 2 and 6 1. या तो फिर आप इसको ये भी ले सकते हैं, ये मार्क्स हो सकते हैं, ये फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो जो 0 मार्क्स है कितने जन क्या है, 15 जन क्या है, 15 12 है 0 मार्क्स. 1 मार्क्स 24 जन क्या है, 2 मार्क्स 18 जन क्या है, 3 मार्क्स 12 जन क्या है, 4 मार्क्स 8 जन क्या है, 5 मार्क्स 2 जन क्या है, 6 में से 6 मार्क्स 1 जन क्या है. सो मे बी द टेस्ट वॉज आउट ऑफ 6. You can take anything. Now this is group data. Why is this called group data? Because the frequencies are coming in group. So even if I write this down in a simple data, I'll have to write 0 0 0 0 0 0 15 times, and then 1 1 1 1 1 24 times, and then 2 2 2 2 2 18 times. It's gonna take a long time if I write according to this. So that's why this is called group data. And how to do this? You're gonna find a cumulative frequency. There are 2 columns already. I'll add one more column, and I'll give this name. What is the name I'm gonna give this column? Or row, you can say cumulative frequency. Okay, now how to find cumulative frequency? Cumulative का मतलब ही होता है एक साथ जोड़ना. तो सबसे पहले जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है 15 है, जो सेकंड फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी ये वाले में पहले वाले जुड़ जाएगी, तो कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास, इफ यू सी यू विल गेट 39. अब जो थर्ड वाली होगी 39 में 18 जोड़ के फिर मैं यहाँ लिख दूंगा. Okay, so that is going to be 7 4 5 57, and then again I'll add 57 में 12 and I'll get this 69. Then again I'll add 8 and I'll get 77, and then again I'll add 2, I'll get 79, and I'll add one more, then I'll get 80. So this shows the total number of frequency that is coming is 80. This is going to show me this. ठीक है, अब मैं क्या करूंगा, आई विल यूज 80 इज अ इवन नंबर. आई टोल्ड यू whenever you have to find median, so you'll use the formula n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation. So if there are 80 का आधा कितना हो जाएगा, 40th observation plus 41st observation upon 2. Okay, so I'll see which one is the 40th observation, or where is 40 observation coming. Think about it. 1 से नीचे नीचे 39 ऑब्जर्वेशन आ रहे हैं, तो 40 ऑब्जर्वेशन और 41st ऑब्जर्वेशन जो आएगा वो इधर आएगा, इस कॉलम में आएगा। इवन 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 57 तक इसी कॉलम में आएगा। सो आई विल राइट व्हाट 2, ये तो फ्रीक्वेंसी है मेरी, इतने बार आ रहा है, आई वोंट वर्क ऑन फ्रीक्वेंसी, सो व्हाट आई विल बी राइटिंग इज 2। व्हाट इज 40th ऑब्जर्वेशन? 40th ऑब्जर्वेशन मेरी क्या है? 2। 41st ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है मेरी? 2 अगेन, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 2। ओके, अगर यहाँ पे लिखता मैं कि 60th और सॉरी लेट्स से 59 एंड 60 ऑब्जर्वेशन, तो मैं 3 लिखता। दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 2 अगेन। 2 + 2 4 हो जाएगा, 4 से 2 डिवाइड किया आपके पास आ जाएगा 2। सो व्हाट इज योर मीडियन? 2। सो दैट इज हाउ यू फाइंड द मीडियन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये टोटल यहाँ पे 81 आता, देन आई वुड हैव यूज्ड द सिंपल फॉर्मूला n+1/2, दैट फॉर्मूला, एंड देन आई वुड हैव रिटन डाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरी 60th ऑब्जर्वेशन आती, तो 60th ऑब्जर्वेशन कहाँ आएगी? थिंक अबाउट इट, इधर आएगी 60th ऑब्जर्वेशन 3 में, तो मेरा मीडियन कितना होगा? 3, सिंपल। ओके, विल डू 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस टाइप ऑफ टॉपिक्स एज वेल, so don't you worry about anything. Our last topic for today, and then we'll do some questions together in this video. But we did learn how to find the median when there's raw data given, when group data given, but now we'll be understanding how to find the median for group data. Okay, so how to find the median for group data, वो तो सीख लिया हमने, but when frequency distribution is given in the form of classes, जैसे 0 to 10, 10 to 20, जब ऐसे क्लासेस गिवन है, देन व्हाट आई हैव टू यूज और हाउ विच फॉर्मूला डू आई हैव टू यूज? फॉर दैट आई हैव अ फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द मीडियन, दैट इज L plus n/2 minus C over frequency into C. This is capital C and this is small c. Okay, now I'll just help you. What does this mean? What are all the variables over here? What do they mean? So L over here is called the lower limit of the median class. So इसमें हम एक मीडियन नहीं निकालेंगे, हम एक मीडियन क्लास निकालेंगे. I'll also explain you with the help of an example. Okay, first you guys can see n होता क्या है, ये सब variables क्या होते हैं. n is total number of observation and capital C is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. median class जो एक पहले होगा उसकी क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी लिखनी है. ठीक है, f नीचे है, f क्या होता है? फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास. and C, small c is equals to size of class. Is that okay? Small c is equals to size of class. Okay, maybe some of you guys won't get this until unless I do a question on this, and then after I do a question you'll be able to understand this very well. Okay, it won't be hard for you. Okay, so let's look at one of the question that is including this formula in the question itself. Okay, so why did I choose this question? Because this question is not in continuous form. So the very first thing that I am going to do is make this question a continuous question. Okay, so continuous distribution. So what I'll do to make it continuous distribution, I'll make a table again. If you guys see, here you guys go, this table, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then there is this column and there is this column. So this is weight in gram. So I'll do 84.5 to 89.5. ओके, तो अभी भी 5 का डिफरेंस है. अगर आप नोटिस करोगे अभी भी 5 का डिफरेंस ही है. ओके, एंड दिस वन आई विल डू 89.5 to 94.5. Okay, and this is going to be 94.5 to 99.5. Okay, and this is going to be 99.5 till 104.5, and this is going to be 104.5 4.5 to 109.5. Okay, but the frequency is going to remain same. Number of eggs is going to remain same. So this is 10, 20, 12, 12, 4 and 2. But here I'll find cumulative frequency. Okay, I'll find cumulative frequency for every, even if that is a simple one or this is a group distribution wala or class interval wala, I'll still find cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative? 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 12, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, and then 40. So I have total number of frequency as 40, isn't it? So these are weight of eggs in gram and this is number of eggs. So कितने number of eggs आए जो 84.5 और 89.5 के बीच में 10 egg इतने थे. Okay, so you know cumulative frequency and you know which formula to use. Okay, so whenever I have class interval, so I'll use this formula: median equals to L. What was L? Lower limit of median plus n upon 2 plus minus capital C upon frequency into small c. Now I'll tell you one by one what is L. I'll use, so I have written over here as well, L is lower limit of the median class. So first I'm going to find which one is the median class. अगर 40 है तो मैं कौन सी ऑब्जर्वेशन के ऊपर काम कर रहा हूँ. 40 है तो मैं कौन सी ऑब्जर्वेशन के ऊपर काम कर रहा हूँ. व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? 40 का आधा कितना होता है? थिंक अबाउट इट. 20, राइट? 20th ऑब्जर्वेशन में फाइंड कर रहा हूँ. 40 का आधा कितना होता है? 20. तो मैं 20th ऑब्जर्वेशन फाइंड कर रहा हूँ. तो जब मैं 20th ऑब्जर्वेशन फाइंड कर रहा हूँ तो आपको क्या लगता है 20th ऑब्जर्वेशन कहाँ पर आएगी? मुझे लगता है 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 10 के बाद जो भी है 22 तक वो इसी ऑब्जर्वेशन में आएगी. सो इसकी लोअर लिमिट ये है मेरी मीडियन क्लास. दिस इज कॉल्ड मीडियन क्लास. अभी मुझे मीडियन तो नहीं मिला तो मैं मीडियन क्लास है ये मेरी. तो जो मीडियन क्लास का लोअर लिमिट है वो यहाँ लिखना है 89.5 प्लस 40/2 दैट इज 20 माइनस सी. सी क्या होता है आपके पास? क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी होता है. मुझे क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास प्रीसीडिंग द मीडियन क्लास. तो सी क्या होता है? सी होता है आपका क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, पर इसका क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं, जो प्रीसीडिंग क्लास उससे पहली वाली क्लास है उसका क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 10 अपॉन एफ. एफ इज व्हाट? फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास. फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है मीडियन क्लास की? ये मीडियन क्लास है. मीडियन क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है? 12. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट 12, नॉट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, और साइज क्या है? सी इज क्लास साइज. क्लास साइज कितना है आपका? इफ यू गाइस नोटिस दिस, आपका क्लास साइज कितना निकलेगा? 5. ओके, क्लास साइज आपका 5 ही रहेगा. अब आप क्या करोगे? 89.5 प्लस 20 माइनस 10 दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 10 upon 12 into 5, isn't it? And then I can cancel them out if I want. So this can be 5, this can be 6. So I'll have 89.5 upon 1 plus 25 over 6. Then I'll find the LCM for this. And when I find the LCM for this, or I can also make this in decimal form and add both of them, my answer is going to be 93.67. This is the median for me. और जो भी मीडियन आएगा हमारा इस क्लास के बीच का ही आएगा. 89.5 माइनस 94.5 के बीच का ही आएगा मीडियन क्लास, और कहीं से नहीं आएगा आपका. अगर कहीं और से आ रहा है इसका मतलब आपने कुछ गलती करी है. इज दैट ओके एवरीवन? सो दैट्स हाउ यू डू क्वेश्चन ऑन when this class intervals are given like this. So the very first thing you have to do is make them continuous. So I made them continuous by subtracting 0.5 and adding 0.5. But still, what the class is or the what do we call, the class size is 5. Previously also the class size was 5, now also class size is 5, and I added cumulative frequency over here, and then I use the formula. And when you're using the formula, this is the only formula in this exercise that is little bit complicated, but if you know the full form of or the values, what is L is the lower limit of the median class. सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे, मीडियन क्लास ढूंढेंगे. मीडियन क्लास कैसे ढूंढते हैं आप लोग, आप जो भी नंबर है, जो भी आखिरी की क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी आई उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर देना. जो भी 2 से डिवाइड करोगे एक नंबर आएगा, जैसे 20 आया मेरा, तो 20 जो बैठेगा कहाँ बैठेगा, इस वाले में बैठेगा. तो उसको हम बोलते हैं, ये पूरी को हम बोलते हैं मीडियन क्लास, और इसको भी मीडियन क्लास. तो दिस इज लोअर लिमिट ऑफ मीडियन क्लास, तो लोअर लिमिट n/2 आपको पता ही कितना है, 40/2 माइनस सी. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू क्यूमुलेटिव ऑफ, ये तो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द प्रीवियस वन. अगर ये आया तो इसका प्रीवियस ये है, तो इसका क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी लिखना है. जो ये वाला f है, ये आपका होता है फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास, फ्रीक्वेंसी, सिंपल फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड c होता है क्लास साइज. ओके, एंड देन यू विल इजीली गेट आंसर फॉर एनीथिंग दैट हैज बीन आस्क्ड फ्रॉम यू गाइस. Is that okay? I hope you guys were able to understand a lot out of this, and if you want we can do one of the question right now, and let's see which question we can do. Okay, which one we can do. So we'll look at 8th question, the last question. Maybe the last questions are always hard, so we'll just see this question. The problem in this question is not in continuous form. This is 15 to 19 and then 20 to 24. So what we'll do, we'll subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. So what is it going to look like? It's going to look like something like this. So weight, like I'm simply writing, and this is going to be number of students over here. Okay, I hope you're able to see number of students. So this is going to be 14.5 to 19.5. This is going to be 19.5 to 24.5. Okay, and this is going to be 24.5 to 29.5, and this is going to be 29.5 to 34.5, and this is going to be 34.5 to 39.5, and the frequencies are going to be just like that. And the very first thing I have to do in this question is find cumulative frequency. So I'm gonna find cumulative frequency, and I'll add a column over here that is going to be CV, that is cumulative frequency. So what is my cumulative frequency going to be? So this is going to be 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 10 19, 19 plus 16, that's going to be 5, 35, and 35 plus 15, that's going to be 50. Now I have to find my median class. So 50 over 2 कितना आ जाएगा, 25. तो आपको क्या लगता है 25 कहाँ पर आएगा? मुझे लगता है 25 इधर आएगा. So this is my median class. Now I'm directly going to use the formula. Median is equals to L plus n/2 minus capital C upon F into small c. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, median find कर रहा हूँ. L क्या है, lower limit, that is 29.5 plus n/2, that is going to be 25 minus this is frequency, cumulative frequency of class preceding. So इससे पहले वाला जो cumulative frequency वो यहाँ लिख दूंगा, upon F is frequency of the median class. frequency कितना है उसका, that is this is 16, and into आपको पता ही है कितना है, 5 है. Okay, and then I can solve this and get my answer in points, and that's how I do it. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to do these questions or do this exercise, and have a good day everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself.